how to see all of the blocked users in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can see all of the accounts that you have blocked in Roblox. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open the Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once the application successfully launches you will see an interface like this. Now in this particular interface, simply click onto this more option at the bottom right, and then from here scroll down and click onto settings. Now under settings you will need to click onto privacy and content restrictions, and once you will do this it will open this particular menu. Now in this menu, click onto the second last option, that is blocked users, and from here you will find all of the users or accounts that you have blocked from your account. Currently I have not blocked any users, so it says no blocked users yet, but in your case if you have blocked any users, they all will appear here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.